Hi, welcome to the Educational Gardens. Today we're going to be planting some onions. I've got Mike with me. He's one of our volunteers, and we're going to show you how it's done in raised beds. First, with the onions, we mound up some dirt around it like that, and then we're going to plant the onions in the top up here. And so we're going to put this around the edge of this garden bed. And the reason we're doing that is because in the spring, these onions are not going to be ready until late April to May. So in the spring, we'll plant probably squash in this bed. And by doing these around the edge, we can plant the squash in the middle here. And while the squash are coming up and growing, the onions can still be growing. Then we can pull the onions and the squash will continue to grow. So it's us making the best of one bed. So planting them on a hill like this enables us for them to keep growing, and then as they start bulbing in the spring, we'll just pull the dirt back away from them. But if you'll keep watching our channel, we're going to video these onions along the way, and after the beginning of the year, we'll come back and look at them again and side dress them and walk you through it. So we have 3 different types of onions that we're going to plant. We got these from Dixondale Farms in Tennessee. These are the red. These are called Southern Belle Red. What we plant here for our zone is short day onions. So, but this is the Southern Belle Red. What you got, Mike?
This is a yellow granix, and I'm here as a volunteer to learn, not to teach. So that's why I'm here.
And then we have the Texas Legend. These are the sweet onions. So this is bunches of about 48 to 50 that we ordered. So we're gonna put these in the bed and see what they do.
Okay.
So in these mounds that we've done, I'm going to go through and poke a hole about 4 inches apart. The onions, if you leave them until May, some of the onions will get like this big around. And so we want to make sure they have room to grow. So I'm just going to stick this in there. They only need to be deep enough to just cover that bulb right there. So we're going to stick them in there like that. Just like that. That's all we do. And then in the spring, as they start to grow, we'll pull the dirt back away from them. just got them all planted. We planted half the bed in the yellow granite, and then the other half starting on that side in the red bale. So I was wrong about the 50 being in each pack. There's about 100 in each bundle. We've got about 120 planted right now, and we haven't even opened the Texas Legend, the sweet ones that are coming out. We ain't even opened that pack, and we've got over 100, about 120 planted right here now. So they go a long ways, but oops, I said 50, I meant 100.